Welcome back. Today question number 4. A motor boat starting from rest on a lake accelerates in a straight line at a constant rate of 3 meter second inverse 2. That means meter per second square. So this is acceleration. Okay. For 8 seconds. This is time. How far does the boat travel? That means you have to find out distance. How far means you have to find out distance. Boat travel during this time, so you have to find out distance. And motor boat starting, so initial velocity is 0. That means u is equal to 0. A is equal to 3 meter per second square, t is equal to 8, distance s you have to find out. Okay, now boat starts, so u is equal to 0. And this formula where this all the things include, which formula it will be, s is equal to ut plus half at square. 0 plus half, put the values, substitute the values, solve, and you will be getting s is equal to 96 meter. Okay. Question number 5. A driver of a car traveling at 52 km per hour applies the brakes and accelerates uniformly in the opposite direction. The car stops in 5 seconds. So 1 and 1. Okay. That means U1. Let it be car A and car B. So UA and TA. Another driver going at 3 km per hour. So B, UB. In another car applies brake slowly and stops in 10 seconds. So T, B. On the same graph, plot the speed versus time graphs for the two cars. Which of the two cars travel farther after the brakes were applied? So first we will solve these things, then we will find the distance, and from the graph we will take which car goes farther. Okay. First part, car A, UA 52 km per hour. Here you have to convert. Okay. I'll be getting 130 by 9 and 14.44. Okay. First, speed, meter per second, this speed. During that time is 5 seconds. Now, car B. Car B, UB is equal to 3 km per hour. 3 into 10 by 36. When you solve, you will be getting 5 by 6 and UB is equal to 0.833 meter per second. During that time is 10 seconds. Now from the speed also you can make out which car goes farther, but from the graph we will draw and then we will find the distance. Then we will write which car goes farther. Okay. This is a graph for car A and car B. On x-axis I have taken time 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and on y-axis I have taken distance. This we say distance time graph. Okay. Now when I go for car A, the time is 5 seconds. So that x-axis will be 5 and you have to go for 14.44. So I have taken 14.4. See, it makes a difference if the distance, if your division is 5, then you have to go for 1 division. 1 becomes 2. Okay, and here 10 divisions are there, so 2 2 2 2. Okay, 2 division becomes 1. So just down the half of 14, between 14 and 15 I have taken 14.4, down the half one. Okay, then you join this. Okay, I show you. See, this way, down the half, that I have taken round figure 14.44. Then from here to 5 seconds down I have joined. So I will be getting one triangle and just shade it, light shade, and write down here O. So the triangle AOC. Okay, AOC. Let me write here C with 5. AOC. Okay. Now for car B, what was the time? 10. Okay. So here BO, let me write here D. So and Distance is 0.833. So I'll be taking 8. Okay, 0.8, that is 2 or 3. Okay, 2 down the 1. 2 down the 1. Okay, this way. Okay, you can see this small triangle. You will be getting very small triangle. So you join it 0.8. You can have 0.8 and join it with 10. Okay, join it with 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So you will be getting very small triangle. Give the name here B. O is already there, and here you can write down D. So your new triangle will be BOD for car B. Okay, this much you keep ready. Now we have to find out the distance. Distance will be taken by the area covered by the triangle. Okay, so we'll be getting 2 distance, and then we'll come to know which goes farther. Okay, now for car UA we have 130 by 9. In the point, it helped us to draw the graph. Okay, calculation we will go with the fraction. UB is 5 by 6. Now we are going for first car A. Car A distance covered is equal to area covered by AOC. That I will show you this one. AOC. Okay, AOC. We are going for car A. That will be half base into altitude. Now what is the base here? 5. Okay, what is the base? 5. And what is the altitude? This one. Okay, so it will be 1 by 2 into 5 into 130 by 9. Calculation, cancellation, and then calculation, I'll be getting SA is equal to 36.11 meter. Now same way we'll find out for car B. For car B, distance is equal to area covered by triangle BOD. That is this one. Okay, small one, BOD. Okay, so what is it is half base into altitude, so half base. What is base? 10. What is altitude? This, but we will take in fraction. SB is equal to 1 by 2 into B into A, 1 by 2 into 10 into 5 by 6. Altitude that we have taken, okay, this speed is equal to 25 by 6. So I'll be getting SB is equal to 4.16. Okay, 4.16 meter. Car A, then from the calculation we can make out that car A goes farther. Okay, वो ज़्यादा लंबा चलेगी after applying brake. Do one correction. Here by mistake I have written distance. It is speed. Okay, just change it. By mistake I wrote distance earlier, but it is speed. So because we are taking altitude as a speed. Okay, so the graph is between speed and time. Speed versus time. So just take care of it. Okay, that was my mistake. So write down here speed and time. Okay, so rest all questions we'll take afterwards. Bye bye.